Oh, yeah, it is time to make some drinks for Eula. I think I pronounced her name right. And the drink we're making today is the Foamy Reef. That's right, it's going to be in a small cup. And I'm excited to see how does this drink come out. It's an odd concoction, but I'm very curious. I'm going to give it a try. So first I'm going to need some coffee beans. Fresh coffee is always a must when making a tasty drink. And I need to grind up my coffee beans first, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the good old hand grind because the best way to make coffee is what? Hand grind it. That's right. Now, there are some blenders out there and grinders out there that do a great job, but I'm very picky about how I make certain drinks. And especially if I'm going to give this a try, I want to make sure I do all of the directions that I know because in this game, they're not too clear all the time. It just tells you one of this, one of that, two of this or two of that. So I'm going to try my best with this. And so with me doing my best, I'm going to be grinding up some coffee. And I'm not going to bore you by having you watch me grind and grind and grind. So I'm just fast forwarding it. And there we go. The coffee is grinded. It looks good. It smells good. And let me go over here to the good old coffee maker and make some. And just like that, I am back with some fresh, hot coffee. Now for this, I'm going to be using my big old spoon, and I'm going to be using some good old freshly made fizzy water. That's right. And I'm using 2 parts coffee, 1 part fizzy water. That's right, 1 part. All right, so I'm grabbing my big spoon, and it's about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to do this 2 times. And here goes the first one. Voila. The smell of fresh made coffee. And now it's time to do the second big old spoon of coffee. I think this might be a very interesting drink. Very, very curious about it. All right, so I have the 2 spoons or the 2 of coffee in there, and now I'm about to add the fizzy water, and it's fizzing. This is very interesting. I've never thought of having this concoction. And if you've watched some of my other videos, then you'll see that I do make some strange drinks like my mango coffee milk drink. Who would have thought? Time for a taste. Now this is interesting, very interesting, and I like it. I kind of like it. It's like a odd coffee.